Wheel spacers. You already know what's up. You probably already know how to install them. But when a bro's in need, what do? You help them with your air tools and your jacks. And your jack stands and being an ass at 10 in the morning on a beautiful, not smoked to death Saturday. No poke. A wee tiny bit of poke. She's thick now. 1 out of 4. Flipping it around so we can do the other side. See, no meat. Lots of meat. And she's all done. Got a nice meaty stance on her. And Eric's happy with it, which, you know, as long as the owner's happy, that's all that matters. That big old sexy 4Runner. God, we do love Toyotas around here.